Today I'm going to show you how to replace the outer cover. There's a little outer cover here on your rear derailleur. I'm going to show you how to do this right now. Okay, so you open the nut on the derailleur, the cable out like this. Next, pull it through here. Remove the old cable. Next, take some new cable. I like to use a Jaguar, it's quite good. And measure the cross here like that. Then get a good plier and cut it. Then you want to plug each end with these little plastic caps. Okay, next don't forget to run your cable through the actual. Okay, so you got the cable back. Give it a gentle pull until the slack is taken off it. Pull it through like that, and tighten up. Be careful not to shear the bolt on the rear derailleur. They're very delicate. There you go, fancy new Jaguar rear derailleur outer.